Welcome to Good Food, recipes you and your guests will love. Today's recipe is baked shrimp scampi pasta. Okay, we're going to put some butter in our large skillet, and we're going to melt that. And then we're going to add our garlic and some red pepper flakes. And we want to saute this until it's quite fragrant, usually a minute or so. Then we're going to add our shrimp. And we're going to saute these until they are pink and opaque. And then we'll remove this into a bowl. And then we will set it aside. We're going to make our sauce, so we're going to add our chicken stock. And stirring it all up. If you have any brown bits, scraping those into the chicken stock, which adds nice flavor. Then we're going to add our lemon juice and our lemon zest. And we'll add our heavy cream. I'm just going to stir this. You want it to come to a simmer. Then we're going to add our cooked pasta. I've used linguine, but you could use spaghetti. And we're going to stir it until it's well coated. You want your pasta to be cooked at al dente because we are placing it in the oven and cooking it a bit longer. We'll get our 9x13 pan and we'll add our pasta that's in the sauce. Stirring that up, and then we're going to spread that evenly in our pan. Then we'll take our shrimp and we will place that on top of our cooked pasta. Then we will sprinkle our parmesan cheese on top. You could add more cheese if you like. And our mozzarella cheese on top of that. Then we'll place this in our preheated oven of 375 degrees and cook until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Around 20 minutes or so. And then we'll sprinkle it with some chopped fresh parsley. And then it's ready to eat. Enjoy. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.